tight spaces, complex jobs. Stop wasting time with manual labor or oversized machines. With its ultra-compact design and true zero-turn maneuvering, this skid steer turns confined spaces into highly productive workspaces. Safety stems from visibility. This premium cab offers an unobstructed 360-degree view, keeping hidden blind spots to a minimum, combined with responsive, low-effort joysticks. Maneuvering in high traffic, tight spaces has never been safer or more intuitive. Zero hassle maintenance. The wide-opening rear hood grants ground-level access to all critical filters and fluid checkpoints. Less time in the workshop means more time making you money. Small footprint, massive impact. Visit our website to find your local dealer and hit subscribe for more smart solutions.